El muchacho que llegó tarde, in Spanish and English. El muchacho que llegó tarde. The boy who arrived late. Son las 12 de la noche. It's 12 o'clock at night. Jaime está sentado en su cama. Jaime is sitting on his bed. Está aburrido. He is bored. No tiene sueño. He's not tired. Ve una ventana abierta. He sees an open window. Se acerca a la ventana y salta por la ventana. He gets close to the window and jumps out the window. Corre a la casa de su novia. He runs to his girlfriend's house. Ella vive 2 cuadras de la casa de él. She lives 2 blocks away from his house. Él toca a la puerta de ella. He knocks on her door. Su novia abre la puerta. His girlfriend opens the door. Le invita a entrar. She invites him to come in. Miran la televisión por 2 horas. They watch TV for 2 hours. Jaime mira su reloj. Jaime looks at his watch. Son las 2 de la mañana. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Él le dice, he says, es muy tarde. It's very late. Tengo que ir a mi casa. I have to go home. Se levanta y corre a su casa. He gets up and runs to his house. La ventana todavía está abierta. The window is still open. Él va hacia la ventana y entra en el cuarto por ella. He goes towards the window and enters his room through it. Cuando está en el cuarto, mira su cama. When he's in his room, he looks at his bed. Sus padres están sentados en ella. His parents are sitting on it. Su padre está mirando el reloj. His dad is looking at his watch. Él le dice, he says, son las 2 de la mañana. ¿Por qué llegas a esta hora? It's 2 o'clock in the morning. How come you're arriving at this hour? Jaime le dice. Jaime says, miré por la ventana. I looked out the window. Un hombre estaba robando un banco. A man was robbing a bank. Yo salí e intenté a capturarlo. I left and tried to capture him. Corrí tras él por 3 horas. I ran behind him for 3 hours. Él paró. He stopped. Cuando vi que tenía una pistola, volví a la casa lo más pronto posible. When I saw that he had a pistol, I returned to the house as fast as possible. Tuve suerte de salir con vida. I was lucky to be alive. La madre le dice. The mom says, Tú tienes mucha suerte. You are very lucky. Me alegro de que no te haya matado. I'm happy that he didn't kill you.